Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to this edition of Topic of the Day. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the GST, Goods and Service Tax. So recently, the GST Council's 47th meeting has decided to impose 5% GST on the pre-packed labeled food items. Let us see some of the recent developments. India's GST regime completed its 5 years on the 1st of July 2022. Recently, the Supreme Court held that the recommendations of the GST Council are not binding on either the centre or the states. The court said that Article 246A of the Constitution gives both Parliament and state legislatures simultaneous power to legislate on GST, and the recommendations of the Council are product of a collaborative dialogue involving the Union and the states. So let us discuss about the Goods and Services Tax, that is One Nation, One Tax. GST is India's biggest indirect tax reform and was introduced in India with effect from 1st July 2017. It is a single tax on the supply of goods and services, right from the manufacturer to the consumer, that is a destination-based tax. It was introduced through 101st Constitutional Amendment Act 2016. It subsumed several indirect taxes like the excise duty, VAT, service tax, luxury tax, etc. on the goods and services, with few items left out such as excise duty on alcohol, property tax, and stamp duty. Now, if we talk about GST Council, that is a constitutional body, it is a joint forum of centre and the states that was set up by President as per Article 279A Clause 1 of the amended Constitution. Its members are the Union Finance Minister, that is the chairperson, the Union Minister of State for Finance from the centre. Now, each state can nominate a minister in charge of the finance or taxation or any other minister as a member. The GST Council is meant to make recommendations to the Union and the states on the important issues related to GST, like the goods and services that may be subjected or exempted from the GST. Now, the decisions of the Council are based on a majority of not less than 3/4 of the weighted votes of the members present and voting. If we talk about reasons for introducing GST, it was to remove cascading effect of taxes, prevent misclassifications and litigations from arising, and also to provide input tax credit. Now, if we talk about the significance of GST, it helped in achieving better tax compliance by subsuming multiple taxations. Secondly, it discourages tax evasion and corruption. Over 50% of the logistics effort and time is saved since GST has ensured the removal of multiple checkpoints. It also ensured cooperative federalism, and India's ease of doing business ranking has improved significantly due to GST. It has also helped the country in transitioning to an automated indirect tax ecosystem, that is the e-way bill. Now let us talk about some of the shortcomings of the GST. Firstly, constant amendments causes confusion and uncertainty. We also see refund delay issues. Then there is adoption and technical issues. Also, the Fifth Finance Commission reported multiplicity of tax rates, shortfall in GST collections, high volatility in GST collections, inconsistency in the filing of returns, and dependence of the states on the compensation from the centre. Now, with reference to the Goods and Services Tax, consider the following statements. First, it was introduced by the 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act in 2016. Second, it is levied on supply of goods or services or both at each stage of the supply chain, starting from manufacture or import until the last retail level. Third, the Finance Secretary is the chairperson of the GST Council. Now, which of these statements given above are correct? You can write your answers in the comment section below. So, as we know, the correct answer is B, that is only the second statement is correct. The first statement is wrong as it was introduced by 101st Constitutional Amendment Act. Secondly, the third statement is also wrong as not the Finance Secretary but the Union Minister of Finance is the chairperson of the GST Council. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, that is 2 only. And with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. I will see you with some other topic tomorrow. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.